substantial. It was 195. There's another 125 coming, so about 235, and then we'll get an IUL done on her as well. I closed the first one yesterday. Substantial. It was 195 and a transfer, and then another.
Amazing.
There's another 125 coming. This one's going to be a big one. Like she's got 3 or 4 more apps I'm going to be doing. That was a good one. Roth, and then Sherry is another one that came through. She's actually like right down the road from me. We had a great conversation.
How much would that be for, do you think?
So about 235 for transfers, and then we'll get an IUL done on her as well.
And just on the other one that you closed, just for commission tracking, what will your commission be on that?
For Rafa, I have 2 deals in for her. So it should be, the first one should be around a little over 12,000. The second one should be ballpark of 7,500, so 20,000.
Awesome.
I just give kudos where it's due. I'm very delighted, like you guys, the professionalism, the training, the actual platform, how easy it is to use, how everything is, by the way, accessible to find. If I can't figure something out, it's out there to grab and do a video on, tutorial like that. I'm like, if I had this when I first started, brand new to the business, it would have been a huge difference. The people leading the trainings, the communication pipe, like if I sent in a ticket, it's done within 6 hours, like less than that even. This is very, very simple to understand. The CRM's easy to use and great and effective. And the fact that, like anything, again, the value of not having to chase someone down to help hold my hand to figure out some kind of hiccup that I'm dealing with, and the fact that it's all like in a library somewhere that's searchable, and it's awesome. So I just want to say, you guys, it's very impressed with that. Kudos to you guys.
Yeah, I love that.